What's going on? So today we got a video from Unpopular, and the title of the video is Ghetto Girlfriend's Dumb Traffic Stop Act Gets a Reality Check. So let's get into the video. Let's see what they're talking about here.
Show me your hands now!
I didn't see you, sir. I wear glasses, and I can barely see. I don't want to go to jail, man. I can't go to jail. I'm not lying to you. I'm trying to reach a lie.
Are you deaf too?
Are you deaf too?
You're a liar.
I'm not
You're
lying.
going to jail.
On March 7th, 2021, officers attempted to pull over a woman for driving without headlights. However, when the officer activated the emergency lights, the woman fled.
Get in the car! Stay in the car! Stay in the car!
Ain't no way she fled because of headlights. Oh, it's got to be more to this story.
Show me your hands now! Stay in the car now! Stay in the car! Hello. Hi. What's your address? What's your address here? What's your address? What's your address here?
It's 528 Live Oak. I didn't do nothing, sir.
I know stop 528 Live Oak.
Your baby mama say your.
Now I gotta call my boyfriend, man.
Do me a favor. Give me your driver's license registration.
This is my boyfriend's rental.
Okay. Your driver's license registration.
I don't have license. I just went to the store.
Give me a favor. Put your hands behind your back.
Louis!
Put your hands behind your back.
Louis, he finna arrest me here. You gotta call Jordan. Wait. So, sir, can I call my boyfriend, please?
Put your hand, put your vehicle, put your phone in the car. Put your phone in the car. Put your phone in the car.
Louis, get my phone. You got to call Jonathan. I'm finna go to jail. I didn't do shit, man. Hurry up, Louis. You got to call my boyfriend.
You're not under arrest. She's not under arrest. Just give me a second. Stay 1 second. Just give me a second, all right?
Huh?
She's not under arrest. We're just detaining her.
Sir, I didn't do anything. I'm not just arrested or nothing.
Okay, this you. Relax.
All right.
Man, good people.
All right.
Alright.
Can I sit down?
Just give me a second. Come to my vehicle.
Just chill.
Wait. I gotta
Just come to my vehicle.
come to your
Man,
vehicle.
good people.
Please. I didn't do anything.
Do me a favor. Stand over there.
Oh, no, I'll go.
Stand over there.
I'll get back here.
Come to my vehicle.
Yes, sir.
Back up. Back up. Back up. Back up. Stay over there.
Louis,
No, it's by
can you
yourself.
get my phone out of the car and call Jonathan, please?
No.
I gotta let him get that.
I want to detain you, black female. You have anything on you that you know about?
No, sir.
Why didn't you stop when okay, I'm gonna read you your rights, right? You have the right to remain silent, anything and everything you say will be held against you in court. Do you understand this right that I just read to you?
Yes.
Okay. So why didn't you stop when I turned my lights on?
I didn't see you, sir. I wear glasses, and I can barely see. I'm being honest
So
with
when
you.
I told you to stay in the car, why did you run inside the house?
You ran inside the house?
I didn't run in the house. I walked in my house to tell my brother that you was behind me and I was finna go to jail. He said you're not finna go to jail. You got to do what they say do. I'm not no violent person, sir. I do what y'all tell me to do.
How far did you get inside the house?
She just got to the door and then came back to the car.
Did she step inside?
I just stepped inside.
She stepped inside and then came back
my brother I can't right back out.
It didn't shut all the way, but it was open. So, whose vehicle is that?
My boyfriend's.
Yes, and I hit the siren.
And you told her to stop.
Bro, I'm gonna go to jail. You go to jail for what? I was going to shoot.
Come on, man. You playing, man. Oh, man. Goddamn. Man, my boyfriend gonna be so hot, man. Like, he got just playing. He got to call him.
Do you have anything on you that you know about?
No, sir. I don't.
Okay. We're gonna get a female to come here to search you. If you find anything, you're gonna be charged.
Okay.
Do you have anything that you know?
No, sir. I don't have anything.
I was going to shoot. Let me be real. No, she stepped right here. See my friend? No, she stepped there. She looked around. She was talking about, I'm gonna go to jail. I said, yeah, for what? I'm saying, I dropped off the shooter. I had the clothes on when I came out.
Did she drop anything in the house?
No, man, I'm supposed to do myself. She on CNA. She don't get in trouble. She ain't no working on nothing, bro. She don't fuck off.
You mind if I check right now?
She a CNA. She don't fuck off.
She's a CNA?
Yeah, she don't fuck off, though. She don't get in trouble. She ain't no record. She got nothing. And let's be real. You don't know my. She ain't no record, no nothing, big dog. You know what I mean? I'm being real with you. Okay? All right, man. I'm being real with you. Yeah, she ain't no record.
Bruh, did you call Jonathan?
I can't get the phone till they get it to me.
God damn. This boy gonna be so bad with me, man. Because he got to get picked up from work in the morning.
You're a CNA?
Who, me?
Yeah.
Yeah, and my boyfriend is too.
Where's your boyfriend?
He's at work. That's why I need somebody to give my brother my phone so I could call him. I just talked to him.
Do you reside here?
Who, me?
Yeah.
Yes, sir. I stay here.
So why would you do all that?
Do all what?
Go run into the door, get out the car, all of it. If you see lights and sirens, why don't you just stop and pull over?
I just explained to this man, I wear glasses. I can't really see. Ask me why I
That's
stop
not an
outside and
excuse.
see.
If you wear glasses, we should give you a citation also as well for not wearing your glasses. Is that what's on your license? Restricted lenses? Do you have a driver's license, an ID, or anything with you to identify yourself?
I got an ID.
Where?
It's in my
wallet?
house.
It's in your house.
Yes. Bruh,
Why is it in your house?
go get my wallet and get my ID out of here.
What's your first name?
Shanetta.
Is that correct?
Yes.
SAJOH.
I don't want to go to jail, man. I can't go to jail.
Since the main road. Yeah. I was MLK and Loomis, and then she passed without lights. All the lights were off. I got behind her. I turned my lights on, and then she turned on this road to come this way. Yes. And then I turned my sirens, and then she just kept.
You know what? I'm sitting here watching this video and I'm like, I must be really failing in life. I must be really failing. I'm sitting here watching this video and I'm just like, man, she got a boyfriend? I ain't got no kids. I ain't got no girlfriend. I just be chilling. I just be chilling, hanging out, But man, I gotta get it together. I gotta get it together, man. This is what I'm sitting here thinking about. I'm just like, damn. She like, yeah, I gotta give it to my boyfriend, this and that or whatever. I'm like, damn, I'm sitting over here. I ain't got no girlfriend. I ain't got no kids. Nothing. Just enjoying my life traveling, man. That's it, man. Damn, life can get lonely sometime, man. You know what I mean? You don't want to be. I don't want to be a player no more. I don't know what song that is, but you know what I'm saying? Damn. Then I got another friend who, I know this is completely off the cuff, off the rail, but I got another friend who he kind of, he's like kind of like my mentor in a way, like, he's the one that got me into traveling and all that stuff. And he was hitting me the other day. He like, man, cause he was in Kenya and then and stuff. So he was in Ethiopia, then he went to Kenya and stuff, and like how I went to Japan and now I'm in the Philippines and stuff like that. So he over there, he like, man, I might hang it up. I'm like, what you mean? Like, man, I don't know, man. I might hang it up, I gotta settle down, and I'm like, damn, what? You hanging it up? You putting the cleats up for retirement? He like, yeah, maybe. And now it got me thinking like, damn. He like, yeah, but you got another good 10 years in you, man. Don't do it yet. Cause he like upper 30s and stuff. But I'm lower 30s or whatever. And he just like, yo, you got some time, man. You got time. Don't rush it. I'm like, damn. Now that got me thinking, man, should I hang it up? I don't know. I think I got another good 4 or 5 years in me. I got another 4 or 5 year run, man. Cause, once you hang it up, and now you just locked down. You locked down. It's over. The game is over. So it's a lot to think about, man. But that's all that's going through my mind as I'm watching this video, honestly.
Pulled up here all the way to the front of the house, got out of the car, I got out of the car. I got out of the car. I told her to stay in the car and show me her hands. She got out of the car and we walked to the front door and got in the house. All right. Let's go over your first name again.
Shanetta. My last name is Harmon. H-A-R. You spelled it right. H-A-R-M-O-N.
That's your last name?
Yes.
What's your first name?
You just spelled it. That's it right there.
Your first name.
That's my first name.
What's your middle initial?
F.
What's your last name?
Harmon. H-A-R-M-O-N. Oh,
Stand over here.
Call my boyfriend, man. Like, you finna be mad as fuck.
Copy one by name and date of birth. It's your ID out of Florida or out of Georgia?
ID. That's my boyfriend's rental.
But
that's a rental car.
Is your ID out of Florida?
Yes.
Okay.
Huh?
Do you have a driver's license? Let's be honest.
No, I don't.
Okay.
No, I don't. I have an appointment set up for me to go get him.
Why didn't you stop for him?
Huh?
Why didn't you stop for him?
I did not see the lights.
Stop lying to me. Come on, look at these lights.
I'm lying to you. I can barely really see at night.
I think you're lying to me because I think the big issue here isn't that you're some really, really bad criminal or anything. I think you're aware that you're driving on a license or you're driving without a license. And I think you didn't want to get in trouble and you wanted to come here and tell him. And...
No, I live here.
Yeah, then why didn't you stop when he let you up?
I did not see, sir.
You're lying.
I'm telling you. I'm not lying to you. I had a reason to lie.
Are you deaf too?
Are you deaf too?
No, because they have sirens going on in the car when you stop.
I didn't hear it, sir. I had the music playing, and I'm being honest with you.
You're a liar.
I'm not lying.
You're going to jail.
I can't go to jail.
I try to give you an honest reason of what happened.
Listen, sir. I'm being, sir.
Come on, stop moving.
I mean, sir, I'm not lying to you. No, I'm not lying. Lewis, you got to get them kids and hold on to them, and you got to call Jonathan.
Hold on, man. What? I'm sorry. I mean, that's just something I said. You have any weapons on you?
No, sir. I don't have anything.
Go ahead. We're gonna have a female officer come over here.
Did she rapidly accelerate, bend corners, do anything?
Yeah. When she came up, she actually increased the speed when she turned. Because I lit her up when MLK, and then she made a quick turn and came this way, and then I thought that she was gonna keep going straight, but then she turned and got out of the car and went to the house.
Oh, it's tight back here, man. Can you just sneeze up some? They cutting off my circulation.
Get up.
I can't get out. I'm stuck.
What do you mean you're stuck? Take your little foot out of there.
Oh.
You know,
I didn't do shit.
Yeah, you did.
Listen, just for future reference, you'd be way better off next time just stopping when you see the lights and saying, hey, listen.
No, you don't have a license.
I don't, exactly.
You should be driving to begin with, so.
I really could. I'm being honest. I really couldn't see because when I turned the corner, I was squinting, so I really didn't know.
That's true.
If y'all was behind me,
if you don't have a driver's license,
I'm being real honest.
So why'd you tell me that you're not gonna stay in your car and you went into the house?
You don't have a driver's license.
I went to go tell my brother. I said I think I'm
worst case scenario, if you know you don't got a license, at least say, hey, listen, I don't have a license. Help me out. There's different things you could have given.
I can't get a citation.
No license, fleeing, eluding, resisting arrest.
I did not flee and lose.
Get back in the car. Sit down. Huh? Can you have a seat? I want to get back to my car.
Can y'all
Listen,
go?
close the door and get your feet in.
No.
Can y'all go and get my brother, please?
Get in the car, you're going to jail.
That's right. That's King? All right.
All right, get back out of the car, sir. Anything on your purse you're concerned with?
No, sir.
Where are you a CNA at?
I do private duty. He works at Indigo Manor.
How old is he?
Same age as me, 39.
Does he drive a white truck?
No, sir. So what's gonna happen to my phone? Huh? It go with me to jail? It's in the truck. I need to really like call my boyfriend. Can y'all let me call him? Please. I'm begging. Hello. Hi. You look good. What's your name?
He's requesting you?
Netta. You can come over here and face the car.
Do you have any illegal narcotics or guns or anything in the car?
No, ma'am. No, sir.
Hey, do you have
The paperwork is for the vehicles in the car?
I'm fine. Just my phone and my
Spread your feet.
and my
Spread your feet.
cigarettes. That's all. Yeah, it's his car, not mine.
You got it. You have to search it. You got it.
Where you searching? I'm asking, can I get a phone call? Just
Yeah, listen.
I'm asking.
You're asking for a lot. All at once.
Why you give them permission to search the car, man? You doing too much. Doing too much, man.
Where are you coming from?
Just friendly. I went
Mark? Who Mark?
Yes, sir. That's all.
Do you normally drive? No?
No.
So what made you roll it? So what'd you even get? What'd you go get?
Only thing I went to go get was me a wine cooler and 2 cigarillos. That's like it. Can I ask a question?
Yeah.
Can I at least call him? I don't know my
For
boyfriend.
what? Just to let him know what's going on?
Yes, please. My cell phone is in the car.
All right, we'll grab your phone. When we get to the jail, they're going to switch the cuffs out to the front. They're going to put you in the wagon to bring you out to the Volusia County Branch Jail. Before they do that, we'll let you call whoever you want to call so you can let them know what the situation you're in, where you're going, and what to expect.
I have to answer call now because I think my phone is about to die. I need to really let him know. I really got to let him know because I don't know his number by heart and it's in my phone.
So your whole body.
Are these your keys? Those are vehicle keys.
Okay. The ones that are attached are the vehicle keys. The other ones are my house keys.
So you want the keys to stay with him?
My brother?
Yeah.
Yes. So I could call my boyfriend so he could be able to come and pick up the vehicle.
All right. I just need 2 signatures from you. I'm going to explain how you're going to take care of this, okay? All right. So you're getting a citation for driving without lights, okay? Because that was the initial, the reason why I stopped you. You're going to get a citation for driving without license. You never had a license. And you're going to get a citation from not stopping when the command or patrol vehicle, okay?
Man, she switched it up, huh? It's amazing what clothes can do. She go from looking like a boy to, dressing like a girl.
So you have a couple of options. One of the options is you can pay for the citations. Well, that's for the one without lights. The other 2 are criminal citations, so you have to go to court, okay?
Okay.
So make sure that you take care of that within 30 days so there won't be a warrant for your arrest.
For which one?
For the 2 driving without license and driving with not stopping for law enforcement.
So which one I have to pay for? The citations?
That's the one with
The lights?
is just, you can just pay for it. But it's a moving violation. So what I would suggest is get your driver's license as soon as possible. You say you have an appointment in 10 days. So get your driver's license. Make sure you make a court date once you are released from jail. But you're gonna see the judge. So make sure you take care of these with the judge, okay?
Yes.
And then come back with your driver's license so that there's proof that you already have. And they're gonna call me there, and if you have your driver's license, they ask me for for anything, then I'll just say on the court reconnaissance, okay? So I just need 2 signatures from you. Thank you. And I'll be right back. And I'm gonna put these on your property so that it will go with you, okay? So you'll get it once you get released.
Okay, thank you.
Welcome.
Sonetta Harmon was charged with resisting without violence, no valid driver's license, and fleeing or attempting to elude.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.